Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Happy Valentine's Day! Today I just wanted to share, show, and have some love because after all, that's what today is. So today I'm actually going to share with you what I am loving with Stampin' Up! Right now. So I'm actually going to show you what my $175 worth of product picks are if I were to sign up to be a demonstrator now during celebration. So now until the end of March, you get to pick $175 worth of product, any product you want. So that can be all ink pads, all stamp sets, it can be bundles where then you're saving even more because of the whole bundle and save. It can be the Stamparatus, the Big Shot, it can be anything you want, which is super, super fabulous. So I'm going to go over what my picks are. Maybe there's some of your favorites right now, maybe not. And of course, all of this stuff totals exactly $175 because after all, I'm not missing out on a single penny of this awesome deal. So you can pick out $175 worth of any product you want for $99. Shipping is always free, so that's an extra 10% savings. Or you can get the $175 worth of product plus the amazing craft and carry tote for $129. So of course, because I am like the ultimate bag lady and I have tons and tons and tons of bags, I had to go with the $129 with the craft and carry bag. This bag is super, super cute, carries so much, has pockets, 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 and I'm loving the colors. So there is a shoulder strap, but then there's also these fabulous little handles. And then, of course, you'll notice there's more handles in this bag. So I also am picking, for my $175 worth of stuff, the Stamparatus and the Craft and Carry Stamparatus bag, because this Stamparatus bag is amazing. Not only does it store your Stamparatus, there's so much room for so much more in there. Like, look how wide this is, and this nice strong zipper. There are 3 pockets in there, so you can put your Stamparatus in there. You can put extra plates in there. You can put some grid paper in there, but you can also put projects in there. Like, you could totally take a project with you, add a stamp set, you have your Stamparatus, add some ink pads, some cardstock, and then boom, you have this cute little bag to carry around a project to take with you while you're waiting for your kids at practice, while you're waiting to get an oil change, to take on a trip. A simple little bag like this with a little craft project to do on your trip. This bag does come with a shoulder strap. So there's the little loops for the shoulder strap, just like the craft and carry bag. And then of course it's got those cute little handles too. So, and it's got a pocket up front. So you can put your snail adhesive in there. So for my $175, I've picked the Stamparatus as well as the Stamparatus Craft and Carry tote. I've also picked the Gingham Gala stamp set. So I know you guys are loving this as well as the punch. And the punch is now temporarily turned off, so you can't actually purchase it because we're on back order. But I still love this stamp set, so I set the stamp set in my kit, and I can always get the punch later whenever it comes back and use my demonstrator discount. Because of course, after you get the starter kit, you have that amazing demonstrator discount. So for now, I'm getting the amazing stamp set. The bundle that I am getting is the Bloom by Bloom bundle. So that is this fabulous stamp set with the 4 little bitty punches. So this is the bundle and save 10%. Let me turn these punches around so that you can see them. So there's 4 little bitty punches of flowers and leaves and stuff. So there's that bundle. I'm also getting the Gingham Gala Designer Series paper. It's a 6x6 pack, and it's got fabulous spring colors, and I'm just loving that gingham buffalo check. To me, I'm still kind of confused as the difference. I think they say one is bigger than the other. So then is this the buffalo check, and this is gingham? I don't know. Either way, I love it. The dot to dot embossing folder is a classic for sure. This embossing folder has dots. Dots are perfect for any occasion. Birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, sympathy, anything. It's so classic. I'm loving it. Can you see? There you go. You can see the awesome pattern there. Love it. Then I have ribbon, because I love ribbon. It's my go-to embellishment. So I have the gorgeous shimmer ribbon. It's like a satin shimmery, beautiful ribbon in Calypso Coral. This is in the Occasions catalog. And then I also just have some regular grosgrain ribbon. This is in Lovely Lipstick because I'm loving that color right now. Of course, you could also get this in Grapefruit Grove, and then it would match your designer series paper. But I'm actually all out of the Grapefruit Grove, so I'm doing the video with Lovely Lipstick. And of course, you could always pick your favorite ribbon, anything that totals that $6, because that's how I've put my entire kit together, is to the penny of $175. So I had to pick certain things in certain categories. And then to round out my kit, I have some basics, Stampin' Dimensionals, because you guys know how much I love Stampin' Dimensionals, and a snail refill, because you don't want to run out of adhesive in the middle of a project, because that would just be horrible. So those are my final two items for my $175 kit that I would pick if I were to join Stampin' Up! Now during Celebration. Of course, this ends on March 31st, so you definitely don't want to delay. So you can get your amazing kit. You can also go with the Craft and Carry tote, so you can do either just the $175 worth of product for $99, or you can add on that amazing tote for $129. Super, super fabulous. Of course, the trend right now is to keep the things that bring you joy, and Stamp Stuff brings me joy. So I will be keeping this, no tossing it out with my spring cleaning, because I love it. So if Stamp Stuff brings you joy, sign up for the amazing starter kit during a celebration and have all the joy in your life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you would pick some of these items for your starter kit, or what you are loving and what is bringing you joy right now. I'd love to hear and see if some of your favorites are also some of my favorites. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Hit that bell so that you get a notification whenever I post. So of course, then you know what day of the week it is too. And sometimes I post outside that Tuesday, Thursday schedule too. So I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping and happy Valentine's Day.